are making high-quality masks available to American people, the American people, for free.
对抗奥密克戎病毒，光靠打疫苗还不够。美国总统拜登再推口罩防疫，直接大方宣布，政府将免费送出 N95口罩。
I know we all wish that we could finally be done with wearing masks. I get it, but they're a really important tool to stop the spread.
口罩、疫苗全都到位，拜登同时加码采购5亿剂试剂，要大家防护做好做满，因为飞沫传染不容小觑。光是一声咳嗽就能让病毒散播到2.7公尺外，几乎是2倍安全社交距离。
You do want to make sure that they fit properly, so you don't want air sort of escaping from the sides, underneath, or around the eyes. So you got to make sure it's really snug. But it's an effective mask. That's the thing.
口罩不是只盖住口鼻就好，有专家实验发现，布口罩病毒进出率达75%，外科口罩防御率有50%，N95效能最好，病毒突破率只有10%以下。
Provides a better fit to your face. If a mask doesn't fit your face well, it's going to leak.
除了贴合度外，口罩使用时间越长，频率越高，承受污染也会越多。想减少病毒上升几率，还是勤洗手、保持社交距离才更安全。三立新闻黄纯怡报道。